Well, I was going to do a Wallybois thank you video in the workshop, but then Caroline said, the missus, why didn't you do a Wallybois thank you video here? Because you're in the woods and you make things out of wood.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, now earlier this year I was making lots and lots of videos. I mean, it's crazy, mate, every day, 6 to 12 videos a day for the Wallybois channel. And it was growing nicely, it was. I haven't been uploading so many recently, basically because my dog died and that kind of has really knocked me for 6. And every time I do this channel in particular, I find it really hard. So that's kind of the past, but always comes into your mind. You know, when you lose something you love, oh, not you. When you, like your dogs and little Pandora, there she goes, the waddle bottom. It's difficult.
And Sebastian!
He's run off again.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in there. He's come back again.
He's coming.
He's got another treat. That's the game, you see. He runs off in another treat. But yeah, it's been an interesting year though. It had some crazy videos. I got one there. It's done around 12 million views. It was a rather ridiculous video though. Caroline, that's the video was at the table store. Oh, and I had masking tape on my nipples.
Oh right, yeah. Obviously people thought that was funny.
Obviously, yeah. None of the other videos do that well. But yeah, it's that video did really, really well. The channel's still growing, even though I haven't been uploading so many videos. But that is my intention to be doing a darn sight more on that channel. We will be back and running after the Christmas. Well, I'm trying to come up with new ideas as well. That's, you know, when you kind of done nearly everything, you know, almost everything. It's quite hard to come up with ideas. So really, if anyone's got any ideas, that'd be quite nice. Well, that'd be pretty good. You've got to leave it in the comments down below. Yeah. Any ideas for the channel? Any ideas for the members as well? Members pages and stuff. Things to make. And Patreon. You know, want to push things to make more. You know, stuff. Well, it could be stuff to make. We've got to do we've got a load of plans and stuff I need to upload to Patreon. We've got lasers now, so that we can do laser printing as well. But Caroline, I haven't bolted it together yet, but I've got a CNC machine as well now. Oh, you have? Yeah, that came about a week ago, so that's pretty damn cool. So we've been making stuff with that as well. You know, this is all learning curve for me because this is all new stuff. I'm not really someone who's used that kind of equipment before. I'm a bit of a techie, but you know, things like CNC machines, and you've got to learn the software, you see, how to use the stuff. So that'd be quite useful, and I think the CNC machine down is going to be brilliant for making jigs and stuff with the routers. Yeah. You know, let's say for instance you wanted a bow tie jig. You know, they do little bow tie repairs, you know, Dutchman repairs. You know, you could make a template for your router with a CNC machine. To be fair, you could probably do it with a laser. So then you get loads of them to use, yeah? Yeah, yeah. So it's it could be a very, very useful thing. So we make lots of videos on there, I'm sure. I just got to get my head straight, if you know what I mean. It's not always that easy. I think you're getting a bit better, aren't you? I am getting better, but I have moments. That was such a big shock for us, and well, I can't expect that. But he's like you. He was like your best little buddy, which is really difficult for you. Well, and you go out and talk to him every day, don't you? Yep. You know, because we've buried him in the garden, what have you, near the well, in the field, not the garden, field. And it's just, I don't know, it's just hard, you know. He was our first dog as well, darling. He was. Together, weren't he? So he's like... I'm not very good from something. Oh, she's crying. Oh dear. But yeah, odd man. There! Sebastian! He's taking so we will be doing more on the channel. But I'd like to thank everybody for following us, really, and have your input as well, like for instance in the comments and, you know, the likes and subscribes and stuff like that, you know. It's what keeps the channel alive, you know. We've got over 50,000 subscribers, haven't we? Also everyone who supported us on our GoFundMe for trees as well. Oh, our rewilding project we're doing. Our rewilding project. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Well, I know there's a lot of trees here, but there's at our place we're planting loads of trees, doing a rewilding, so we're planting shitloads of blooming trees, and propagating them, but also buying them as well. So people basically contribute, you know, just make a donation for a tree, and then we put a sign with a tree, don't we?
For you. Whatever you want on the sign, just say, and we can put it on.
Well, some cases it's been like for newborn babies and stuff, like wren.
Or a dog.
Dogs, or it could be a memory of, you know.
Someone you've lost, or a celebration.
Could be your name. Could just be their name.
Yeah. Or someone you don't know what sort of present to buy for, like an uncle or something.
Yeah.
You know, I'll buy him a tree.
Yeah, it could be for any reason really, couldn't it? But yeah, it's the links for that are down below anyway, so if you're interested, have a look. But we're doing all sorts of stuff, and also making little animal habitats as well, you see.
Yeah.
Bat roofs, don't we?
Bat roofs, bird boxes, hedgehog houses, and you've even got an owl house.
I know. I'll do another one of them for the other barn.
Yeah.
So that'll be quite good. The bats are cool, I'll tell you. I love bats.
Oh, there's loads of bats here,
yeah,
aren't there?
Yeah, so cool. You can walk down the road down near our place, and there's like swarms of these bats just flying around.
You did a video of them, didn't you?
I did actually, yeah. Have I uploaded that yet?
That's possibly.
It'd be on the Rewilding channel, isn't it? Or
either be Rewilding or F-Trifle.
We do have quite a few channels. None of them pay their way. But
well, only two are paying anything.
Yeah, that's true. But you know, we've got another channel. We've got what we call the Wallybois channel. That's actually. There's a video on there, isn't there, of Sebastian.
Sebastian Cuddles, I think it's called.
Yeah, Sebastian Cuddles. That's done that for. It's only a young channel.
Nearly 48,000 views.
48,000 views.
11 seconds of just Sebastian sitting on my lap.
That's nuts. So anyway, that's quite cool. Anyway, so we're doing lots of different things. Probably spreading ourselves a bit thin, really. Burn the candle at both ends.
That's quite cool though to do dog ones, and Earth Trifle is very good because it's about the environment and about, you know, vegetables and planting and all sorts of things what we do.
Yeah, that's it.
And all of them intertwine really, because Earth Trifle and the Rewilding really go together, don't it?
But the reason we started the Wallybois one is so we could actually have a place to store all our videos and stuff, and clips of videos, an easy place to find them on why not this YouTube? Have we got to do what else, there?
Have we done the right way?
Yeah.
Oh, it's further, is it?
It's further up there and on the left, isn't it? If not, we're lost.
I don't think we'll get lost here.
No.
We're used to.
Anyway, we're waffling.
Yeah, we are. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and please support us again next year, and love you all. Bye.
That was very sweet. I'm going to say toodaloo.